channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. We're going to be making a very special recipe, Frijoles Blancos con Costillas. These are delicate white beans slowly simmered with little pork ribs. It's full of unique ingredients that will blow your taste buds away. The flavor is out of this world. Now let's get started. To start this recipe, I have here 16 ounces of dried Peruvian beans. You can use any dried white beans you like. I'm going to put this to boil with 12 cups of water for about 30 minutes. After they've been cooking for about a half hour, I'm then going to go ahead and add about 2 pounds of little pork ribs. These have been chopped into smaller pieces and they're going to get added to the beans and seasoned with a few spices. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon along with 3 teaspoons of ground cumin and about a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves. This is going to be very smoky and rich in flavor combined with the other ingredients that we will be roasting. Add about 2 teaspoons of salt, you could check this later if it needs more, and cover this and allow it to finish cooking while we start the next part of this recipe. I'm now going to be roasting all of the veggies that will be added to these frijoles. This is 1/2 pound of tomatillos, a white onion, about 3 cloves of garlic, 5 plum tomatoes, and 1 dried chile ancho and a chille guajillo. I'm also making room to add this red bell pepper. Roast all of these until they're nice and charred and toasty. Don't be afraid to burn them a little. The only thing that you need to be careful is the dried chiles. Don't burn them, you just want to slightly warm them up. If you guys are new to my channel, I have a bunch of these types of unique recipes uploaded every other day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on them. Now for the last part, I'm going to be adding 1/2 cup of pepitas, which are pumpkin seeds. You want to give these a nice toasting, which will bring out all of that earthy, nutty taste. All of this is then going to get blended together with 1 cup of those boiled beans. I remove the stem from the dried chile. These are not really spicy, so don't worry about removing the seeds. And you want to liquefy this all up until it's very smooth in texture. You might need to move it around a bit with your spoon and work in batches if it doesn't quite all fit in your blender. Once this mixture is all ready, you're then going to be adding everything to the pot with the beans and give it a good mix. Allow this to simmer for about 20 minutes longer, being careful that it doesn't burn on the bottom. Be sure to stir it frequently. And your ever so delicious Frijoles Blancos con Costillas is ready. This recipe is so heavenly. All of these ingredients, the roasted dried chiles and the toasted veggies, give this dish the most intense flavor. The beans are so creamy and delicious, and the ribs just melt in your mouth. Enjoy this dish with a side of rice and some steaming hot corn tortillas. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. The full recipe is listed down below in the description box. Let me know in the comment section if you tried it out, and I'll see you guys next time for another quick and easy recipe.